Let me tell you something nobody really warns men about after divorce. Most people think the hardest part is the breakup itself, the arguments, the paperwork, the separation. But honestly, that's not the hardest part. The hardest part usually comes months later. It's the moment when everything finally gets quiet. One day you wake up and the house feels different. The routines are gone. The plans you once had for the future are suddenly unclear. There's no noise, no shared schedule, no one asking where you're going or what you're doing. It's just silence. And that silence does something to a man. Divorce later in life feels different than when you were younger. When you were in your 20s, starting over almost felt normal. But when you're older, you've already built a life. You built habits, responsibilities, routines, and a vision of what the future was supposed to look like. When that changes, and it forces you to have some difficult questions, in that silence, you start asking yourself things you may have avoided before. Like, who am I now? What kind of life do I want moving forward? What kind of man do I want to become? Those questions can feel uncomfortable at first, but they're also the beginning of something important. I've noticed that men tend to go one of two directions during that time. Some guys stay stuck in the past. They replay everything over and over in their minds. The mistakes, the regrets, the conversations they wish that went differently. It can trap you there and let you fester away. But most men sometimes take a different route. They take a moment as a wake-up call. They start rebuilding their lives intentionally. That path I eventually realized I had to take myself. I had to take a step back and look at my habits, my mindset, and the direction my life was going. I asked myself some honest questions about the man I wanted to become. Slowly I realized something that changed my perspective completely. Divorce didn't destroy my life, it forced me to rebuild it. And that's sometimes losing something important forces you to become more intentional about everything else. You start building better habits. You start protecting your peace. You become more selective about the people and the situations you allow into your life. It also changes how you look at time. You realize how valuable it actually is. You start focusing on things that matter. Your health, your mindset, your growth, and the relationships that bring positive energy into your life. What I've come to understand is that difficult chapters in life often carry the biggest lessons. They force us to slow down, reflect, and rebuild parts of our lives that may have needed attention for a long time. This channel really exists because of that realization. It's about rebuilding after life changes. It's about becoming mentally stronger, more disciplined, more intentional with how we live. It's about helping men realize that difficult moments don't have to define the rest of their lives. Sometimes those moments become the exact turning point that leads to growth and transformation. Because the truth is, most difficult chapters in life often create the strongest versions of yourselves. Rebuilding isn't going to be easy, but it can lead to something even better than what we had before. And I'm curious about something. If you've gone through a difficult chapter in your life, what is one lesson it taught you? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and I'm always interested in hearing other people's experiences and perspectives.